kumwica.
He was almost
Ahamagara pastor.
He called the pastor.
Aramubwira ati pastor romfite inzara.
He told the pastor,
kandi ngiye gupfa.
and I am going to
abana bamaze kabiri batarya.
children have stayed for 2 days no eating.
Kibazo buri wese aratse.
I'm going to ask this.
No, arambwira ati